Hello, my name is Paul and I lead the admissions team at City College Southampton. Normally at this time of year we'd be coming to speak to you at an assembly or careers event at your school, or perhaps we'd be meeting you at the college's summer open event or at a Year 10 taster day. Unfortunately, due to the coronavirus, we weren't able to meet you in person this summer, so instead here is a virtual introduction to City College. We expect that you are starting to think about what you will do when you finish school in June next year and the type of course you may want to apply for. The information in this presentation should help by describing the types of courses on offer at City College. Like all of the local colleges, we are encouraging you to do your research and to choose the college that is best for you. We are also encouraging you to make your application before Christmas this year. At City College, we teach technical and vocational courses. Our courses are designed to prepare you for your next step after college, whether you want to go to university, take up an apprenticeship, or move straight into work. You will see from the list of subjects that many of them are different to what you have studied at school, so you will need to investigate them to find out whether they help you towards the future you want for yourself. If you're not sure what you want to do yet, then it's good to think about how you like to learn and what things you like doing. This may help you choose a course to study. If you prefer learning through projects and practical work rather than more traditional classroom learning, and you prefer handing in assignments through your course instead of taking lots of exams at the end, then technical and vocational courses are likely to suit you better than A-levels. Technical and vocational qualifications are well recognised by universities and employers, so you have a great chance to achieve a good grade, gain experience valued by employers, and open up more doors for your future. In the autumn, you will be able to talk to our staff at open events and find out more to help you choose. When you visit City College during the next year, you will see a very modern campus with state-of-the-art facilities. We have IT suites, a science lab, an industry standard theatre, TV studios, hair and beauty salons, restaurant standard kitchens, and a complete set of engineering and construction workshops. We also have a specialist marine skills centre on the banks of the River Itchen, which provides the best marine skills learning on the south coast. So why choose City College? Lots of people do. We are the first choice of many young people and adults in Southampton for our technical and vocational courses, so you can be confident that you are making a good choice too. We are first choice because we have fantastic facilities and we have teachers who are industry experts and professional teachers. Our teachers have had careers and worked in the sectors they will teach you about, so they bring all that experience to teaching you. Let me put that into context. If you're eating in a restaurant, would you rather have a chef that's learned through reading and watching YouTube videos, or one that has been taught how to cook professionally? We are also a good choice because of our very strong relationships with hundreds of local businesses. This means that every course has the opportunity to hear firsthand from visiting speakers, to visit different workplaces, and to have high quality work placements. This will help you keep up to date with what's happening in the real world of work and to understand what qualifications you need to do your dream job. At the end of your course, you will have excellent opportunities to move into work, to an apprenticeship, or to university. We have hundreds of successful students each year who finish their course with us and move on to the career of their choice. Here are 3 recent examples. Sam, who studied marine engineering and who is now working at Pasco International, a luxury boat maker, as an apprentice. Courtney, who studied beauty to level 3 and then moved straight into a full-time job in her chosen field as a spa therapist at the McDonald Botley Hotel. Alex, who studied level 3 IT and digital communications and who is now studying for a degree in computer networks at Portsmouth University. Alex is a good example of what is true for all of our level 3 students, that they can apply to university in the same way as A-level students do. It's their choice. Sometimes all this talk of the future can seem a bit daunting, and we want to make sure you have the best chance of succeeding on your course. Support for learning is available in and out of the classroom, and our team of advisors are always on hand to offer personal support and advice. We also have financial support to ensure that there are no barriers to you coming to college and developing to your full potential. We also have the Futures team, who advise students on their next steps and help them apply for university, full-time jobs and apprenticeships. There are lots of opportunities to get involved with a wide range of activities at college, sometimes things related to your course, sometimes just for fun, and the college is a diverse and welcoming community. Students are encouraged to contribute to all aspects of college life through student voice, either by doing surveys or votes, joining an interest group, becoming a class rep, or even serving on the student council. One of the great things about the practical nature of our courses is the chance to showcase what you can do, and there are lots of exhibitions, projects and competitions that you can take part in throughout the year, including the chance to compete against other colleges at a local, regional and national level. We're very proud of the very high standards our students achieve, which is regularly recognised through national and regional awards and competitions. For information on our courses, including entry requirements and where the course can take you, head over to the City College website. You can also keep up to date with everything that's happening at the college by following us on Instagram, YouTube and Facebook. We'll be in touch with you again later this year with more information about open events, taster activities and applying for courses, and we hope to meet you in person soon.